Hello, everybody. I am Tara Joy, an intuitive energy healer, and I am going to be holding healing circles soon. So, I wanted to create a video that demonstrates a few of the sound healing tools that I may use in an upcoming healing circle. And I also wanted to sort of explain to anyone who hasn't been to a healing circle what the experience is like. First of all, there's no two that will ever be identical. They're each unique, and that's because the energy and the healing that takes place is guided by whoever shows up. And nobody can plan for that. And that's part of the magic, is that we're all operating in the moment of the session and the time that we spend together. So some of the healing tools that I use are sound healing. So these are Tibetan bells. If you've done, my lights have motion sensors. I apologize. Yes, Tibetan chimes, Tibetan bells. Tingsha is another name for them. And these just have a beautiful vibration and resonance. Yes, if you have done meditation, there's often like these are chimed at the beginning of meditation or a yoga practice, and then at the end of the meditation or yoga practice, just to signal the beginning and the end. And it sort of brings you back into your body from wherever you may have been journeying or visualizing or just through your meditative practice. So I will just ring these guys. So yeah, they're just a beautiful sound, and they help clear the lower vibration, denser energy out of your field. The next one that I want to share is my ocean drum. So it is a drum that has little bearings in the bottom. And so when you move the drum, it sounds like rushing water or rain or waves. Love that one. That's my newest one, so I'm still experimenting with it. And my other favorite is a hand drum. So my hand drum is made with birch bark frame and deer hide. and I'll just intuitively play something. There was no plan for this. I just felt called to film something. So let's make it happen. So I hope you enjoyed that little taste of what might happen in an upcoming healing circle. There's also opportunity to share. And if you're shy and don't want to share, that's also fine. It's not mandatory. So if you'd like to join, check out my website, joystarhealer.com, for the next upcoming healing circle. I'm sending you all the joy and love. So I hope to see you all soon. Bye.